Hi friends, I hope you have your board and your marker so that you can follow along with this activity. Today we will be doing dictation. Dictation is a fancy word for listening for the sounds in a word and writing what you hear. This is a big part of spelling. So I will be telling you a word and having you make the sounds. I will help you with the sounds today. Then you will write the sounds on your board and then we'll see if you got it right. Okay, so my first word is can. Let's make the sounds k, n. Do it one more time. K, n. Go ahead and write those sounds on your board. K, n. Okay. Let's see if you got it right. 3, 2, 1. There's can. Now friends, some of you might have spelled it with a K, and even though technically K does say K, we spell it with a C. Okay, let's look at our next one. Not. The word is not. Let's make the sounds n, a, t. One more time. N, a, t. Okay, get your board and let's make those sounds. Go ahead and write it as I make the sounds. T. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Not. Okay, this is the word cat. Let's make the sounds. K, a, t. One more time. K, a, t. Go ahead and get your board and make those sounds. We'll make them and write the sounds into a word. K, a, t. Okay, one more time while you're writing. K, a, t. In 3, 2, 1. There it is, cat. Now some of you once again might have written cat. This does say k, but we always have a C for cat. Okay. Our next word is tap. Okay, let's make those sounds. T, app. Do it with me. T, app. Okay, go ahead and get your marker and board and write the sounds you hear. T, app. One more time. T, app. Okay, I'll give you 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. There's tap, and it's t, app. 3 sounds. Okay, now this is the trickiest word on the list today. This word is does. What's the word? Does. Okay, so you have to remember it does have 3 sounds, but you have to memorize how it's spelled. I'll give you 5 seconds for this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Does. Okay, so this one you just have to memorize. That's a tricky one. She does her work. Okay, the next one is hat. Let's make those sounds. H, at. Do it with me. At. Get out your board, your marker. Let's make those sounds again as you write it. At. Give you 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. There's hat. So let's look at our sounds. H, at. And the whole word is hat. Okay, this is nap. Let's make those sounds. App. Again. App. Okay, I'll let you get out your board and your marker. Let's make those sounds as you write the letters. App. Give you 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Nap. Here we go. App. The word is nap. Okay, this word is man. Let's make the sounds. And do it with me. And this word has 3 sounds. Go ahead and get out your board. Okay, you can write the letters as I say the sounds. And one more time. And okay, give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Let's look at those sounds. And the word is man. Okay, friends, that's all for today. I'll see you later.